Samsung's been playing it pretty safe for the past few years, right? Just small tweaks here and there, and honestly, a lot of us have been feeling like their phones have gotten a bit outdated. But that hasn't stopped them from selling millions of devices every year. Still, we've all been craving something fresh, and it looks like 2025 might finally deliver. So, what's the buzz? Well, all signs are pointing to July 9 as the big reveal date for Samsung's next-gen foldables. We've seen a bunch of renders floating around, but now there's something even better. A video showing off a dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and it gives us our clearest look yet. This sneak peek comes from the YouTube channel TheSINZA, and it gives us a full-on hands-on with the dummy model. Not only do we get a feel for the design, but they also compare it side by side with other Samsung phones so we can really see how the size stacks up. And get this, if the leaks are right, the Z Fold 7 might just be Samsung's lightest and thinnest foldable ever. We're talking just 215 grams and 4.54 millimeters thin when unfolded. That's basically folding paper at this point. Plus, there could be some nice upgrades to the display, maybe even less crease action, finally. Now, not everything is perfect. Rumor has it the Z Fold 7 might bring back the hole punch camera rather than going with an under-display camera. A bit of a bummer, yeah, especially if you're into that clean, uninterrupted screen look. We still don't know exactly where the hole punch will be, center, corner, but hey, fingers crossed for something minimal. Of course, since this is just a dummy unit, some of these details might still change, so don't lock it in just yet. But if Samsung really is dropping this thing next month, we won't have to wait long to see the real deal. Oh, and that's not all. The Z Flip 7 is also expected to show up with a beefed-up front display. Plus, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup might finally get its glow up too. There's even a whisper about a mystery foldable that could top everything we've seen so far. Long story short, this upcoming Unpacked event could be the most exciting Samsung launch we've had in years. So, what do you think? Is Samsung finally about to break the cycle of just another phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.